This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
In order to do this, we should go to Design, Custom CSS. Here is a section, Manage Custom Files. We should upload the image that we want to use as an overlay. I have some arrow overlay. Okay, and I want to use it, so we need to fetch the URL. Great. Secondly, we need to open website. No redirect. And we go to DevTools in order to find information about the page ID. So our page ID is ID collection. This one. Great. So this is the home page where we want to implement these changes. Okay. And we also should find the appropriate class. So it's banner overlay. Great. Now we want to use background URL. Just close this. Okay. And we use background. No repeat. Right. So we check. We've added the overlay picture. This one, we can see it right here. And yeah, this is it. So we just upload the custom image. We click on it in order to fetch this URL, this image. Then we find the appropriate page ID. Yeah, if you go to a different page, there will be no overlay at all. So as you see, everything is cool, only on this page. Yeah, and after that, we choose the appropriate class. We add background property, URL, Santa, and we use no repeat. Thank you for being with us.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.